sanibonani. Poetic justice. So icing. Sanibonani, Johnny. Guys, I'm about to drop a cooking vlog video cause lately guys I've been cooking. Hey, I've been really cooking, and today I'm just making us a very light meal cause ngiphelile izolo futhi and yabo. So yeah guys, grants. Potato please. I'm going to make. Oh my god, that was so scary, pal. That was very scary.
Woo!
But dang. Nah guys, like see me now. So yeah guys, yeah.
So this is very friendly.
Huh? Yeah, but guys, I'm almost done. I first boil my wings before, because my time they vote and when I need some black one and food. Okay, cool. Anyway,
Okay.
hey.
Okay.
Oh, final product. I was just showing you the final products. What you guys think? Should I show you guys the final products or in? Kumana, ngiyenza. Wait, oh, angiyazi nami ngithi ngiyayibheka kulokhu uza ngamafilter ami oh hayi angiyitholi igama lale filter
Angiyazi nami igama lalo.
asiyazi nje siyazi oyaziyo guys ngicela idrop la basitshela singayithola kanjani. Okay. You just go with your hand and cleanse in color, yes. Yeah. Ooh, this pan is very hot. Can you please give me this? Thank you.
Oh, that's it. Oh, yeah. I look like a para, people. I look like a para. I look like a para. Guys, ngabe ngiyavela ne ngikhona mara yo ngimubili. Ningathuka ningabaleka nonke kule live, ningahamba nonke ningaphuma. Angimubi umhlobo.
She's dramatic, but I hope.
Just see my eyes. This is my eyes.
See my eyes. I wonder. No, you is because you make the love I have for you to rise.
Come on now. You need closer filter or what
does that mean?
What does that mean?
Anyways, getting back.
Just give me a bottle.
Okay, here you go. So guys, me and Balisa live together and we've been living together ever since we started schooling here. So that's why I'm always gonna pick us together more than her just being my best friend. We're just always together. And I just need you guys to just get that, you know? Yo, Balisa, don't wanna...
It's so hot.
Yeah, take a break.
It's so
Thank you. Like I meant that like you should Australian ukupheka like abangele ukuthi lokupheka kwami sengikuthathaphi. Yeah.
New semester, new house.
Yeah. Guys, sengithanda ukupheka.
Amahle bese le stove ngiyosasebenzisa.
Ngisasebenzisa stove, manje sengiya-right.
Isiphambe lesi.
I really want to mash these. Like perfection. So I'll keep on mashing until they white. So yeah, guys. I am cooking. I'm cooking mash and wings, guys. Yeah, just mash and wings. Yesterday I cooked, what is this called? I don't know what to call it. Chicken pasta. Yeah. I think it won. Oh, guys. Yeah, this is a topic video and then it's me one. So yeah. Ooh. Wait. We are about to eat. And then, nice. I recently started doing. I recently started doing the lokuzana. What's this? TikTok lives. This is on my birthday. Anyways, it's just so crazy. That is so sad. Hi, SNK. We are online. How are you? Yes, guys, I used to go to Forest Field and primary. I'm from PMB, guys. I'm from PMB. And you're not going to tell you that I am from PMB. Penny, Pela. When? Yeah, well, what's the point in nothing there?
I'm gonna say person, oh no charge. Oh my god.
What did I say? Guys, I'm trying to mash up my mash to be super soft. To be super duper soft. Dabina. Yeah, well, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, well, about this, Yes, you know. But wait until they see the other ones, guys. Wait until you see
the other one.
Palisa's next drop of the pictures, please. Please. Guys, how many of please? I got a nyamaz, namanga nje nyambeg, nimaz gahle. Please big. Hello. It's just mash and wings. Yeah. I'm having mash and wings. I cooked for this bitch again. I'm always cooking for her.
No, guys, I also cook. Yo.
Okay, she does.
I'm cooking right now, but these things are your friends.
Okay, wow. Oh, look, what's butter. I need some butter in this. I just like adding cheese, guys. And that's nice. Yeah.
I'll put it on your separate.
Oh, guys, shame. Oh. Thank you for my card. Now, guys, ngiyangifuna ukuthi uzovela nje ngishade sibe right sabo maleleti inkosi type of thing, you know,
Something nice.
Thank you so much. Something nice, something I'll do that, you know. I'm just all about my man, you know. It's just literally yeah. So like, yeah, guys, I am, you know, one day wishing and hoping for Mr. Prince, you know. Something. And then nobody says like this color shall have to face ukuthi ngiyakholela mina othandweni hayi ngeke bafethu
These are fun.
Those are fine, bruh. Those are cool. Like, guys, I don't know about y'all, but I really believe in love, friends. That's just me.
That's just me doing me.
I don't know how to bake. Yes, Palisa is from Escort.
Malo, Muzalo.
Uzano.
Bazano. Show your son.
Yeah. Uyintombazane yaseScott kodwa Nkosi yami lokhu.
Ishuma mchezo ngashawula. Yaknisho.
Have cool. Thank you so much, Dando. Hello, Ntansego. We miss you. How are you?
Oh, but damn. Well, Ntanzeko, nashiya mina.
Washiya nanhlanje. Washiya. Wasenzani? Washiya kodwa. And then we came back. Oh, this tastes really nice. In fact, mina ngiyithandi kanjani. I think ngiyithandi mafethu. But this is in just now, just sonke ekhaya. My mom has it worse. Hi, well, guys, I can njalo. Palisa nidla amatshantshezi nina nidla abantu. Hayi.
Yes, ubasho njalo uyalaziqinisa. Nidla abantu emtshezi. Yes, sabadla. Sabadla. It's fact. Guys, it wasn't us. Kwakwamazayizai ayehlalelo skop adla abantu. It wasn't us black people. Come on now.
Palisa, please take off the wings are okay now.
No, bro, I switched off the stove. I'm just trying to make them crispy.
Okay.
What do you mean?
She likes them crispy.
Yeah. They cool. They don't burn.
It's my birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, Leo. Hello, Arnold. How girls it? Oh my gosh. Yeah, guys, I think things are para. Is that Mama?
We are cooking again.
To clarify,
Yes,
we've been friends for like.
wings and
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, baby.
How are you?
I'm waking and drinking.
Okay, girl.
I'm working and drinking balance.
I see you. Life, no balance.
Hi. Nasenkingeni sanibonani. Nasenkingeni.
Back. I am from PNP. What challenge is that? Guys, ngiyafuna ukwenza i-YouTube channel kodwa le nto iwumsebenzi ha. Nakhona nizoyithanda? Nizoyithanda? Nina phela. Sibe sit. Yabo. But thank you so much. Yandisa, hi. Anyways, guys, yeah. We've been friends for the longest. Our friendship just really grew stronger. Guys, Felisa bought me this very cute cover, guys. Yazin, just because I can. These will keep her cover. Wait, guys. Yo, phonium. Masi wengizobayini.
Hello. Njengobani uthengele
Tell me about my best friend. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. I love it so much, guys. Immediately, like same day. And guess what? My wallpaper was this picture. So when she got me this for my birthday, that was just really cute. Yeah, guys, we've been friends for the longest, and we live together, and we practically do everything together. So, IOTini.
I saw you on campus. I couldn't believe my eyes.
Why did you say hi though? Why did you say hi?
Says campus. Are you using an iPhone 13?
No, Mama. I'm not using an iPhone 13. I'm using an iPhone 14 Plus.
Pavilion. I did it at Pavilion. Yeah, it's like Amandia, lawa malapha ngaphandle.